Okay, we've just got this rather lovely painting of a seaside scene in the studio, and it's by Mary Fedden, painted in 1990, and it was exhibited in the Royal Academy Summer Exhibition of 1991. And it's here in the studio because it has some rather strong cracks in the thicker areas of paint. Although most of the picture is in perfect condition, there are no damages or losses to speak of. Okay, so now we have the side light here shining across the picture so that we can see all the cracking that is happening. And if you look, you can see how strong the cracks are only in certain areas of the picture. And in fact, they are in the areas where the paint is thicker. The areas where there's thin paint, i.e. up here in the sky, there's no cracking. So the cracks occur naturally and they occur in thicker paint. And it's surprising how strong these cracks actually are. They can be very, very strong, and they require a firm backing to support them and hold them level. And you can see from the back here how strong the cracks are. The areas of thicker paint that are cracking, you can see show up pulling the canvas from the back. You can see all these undulations and even the sharp cracks that are pulling through to the back of the canvas. So when we line this picture, it will resolve all this and level the canvas and hold it in its natural level position.